Finding the best bird-watching binoculars in 2026 is not easy. The right pair needs sharp optics, comfortable handling, and enough performance to capture every detail in the field. Today, we compare 5 top binoculars from Swarovski, Nikon, Hawke, and Celestron to find the best choice for every type of birder. Before choosing bird-watching binoculars, focus on the features that will make your time outdoors more enjoyable. Tip 1. Choose between 8 times and 10 times magnification based on your needs, with 8 times offering a steadier view and 10 times providing more detail at longer distances. Tip 2. Look for comfortable weight, good eye relief, and a wide field of view so you can track birds easily during long viewing sessions. Tip 3. Prioritize quality glass, weather protection, and durable construction to get clearer images and better long-term value. Now, let's get into the list. Coming in at number 5, the Celestron Regal ED 10x42. If you want premium features without paying premium prices, the Regal ED is an excellent choice. It delivers sharp images, comfortable handling, and the extra reach many birders want for spotting distant subjects. The magnesium alloy body feels solid while staying comfortable to hold, and the ergonomic grip makes it suitable for longer birdwatching sessions. The adjustable eye cups also work well for glasses wearers. This is where the Regal ED stands out. Its ED glass helps reduce color fringing, while the flat-field optical design keeps images clear from edge to edge. The 10 times magnification provides extra detail when viewing birds farther away. Fully multi-coated optics help produce bright, detailed images, while the close focus distance is useful for nearby birds and wildlife. It can also be mounted on a tripod for steadier viewing. The Regal ED uses a 10 times magnification with 42mm objective lenses, giving you more reach while keeping a practical size for outdoor use. Here is the one thing to know before buying it. The 10 times magnification provides more detail, but it can be harder to keep steady compared with an 8 times binocular. For long handheld sessions, some users may prefer a lighter option. Users often praise the sharp image quality, comfortable design, and premium feel. Some users mention the focus wheel feels slightly loose, but overall feedback highlights impressive performance for the price. So, what is the bottom line? Buy it if you want excellent optics and premium features without spending flagship-level money. Skip it if you want the lightest binoculars or the easiest 8 times option for extended handheld use. The Celestron Regal ED 10x42 earns its place as the best value pick by combining strong optics, useful features, and impressive performance at a reasonable price. But if you want an even more balanced binocular with premium optical performance and easier everyday handling, the next pick could be the better choice. Coming in at number 4, the Hawke Frontier ED X 8x42. If you want premium optical quality without moving into flagship pricing, the Frontier ED X is a great middle ground choice. It combines sharp images, comfortable handling, and reliable outdoor performance for serious birders. The magnesium alloy body feels durable while keeping the binoculars balanced in your hands. The comfortable grip, adjustable eye cups, and 18mm eye relief make them suitable for longer viewing sessions, including for glasses wearers. This is where the Frontier ED X stands out. The ED glass helps control color fringing, while the fully multi-coated optics produce bright, high-contrast images with accurate colors. The 8 times magnification also provides a steady view with a wide field of view, making it easier to track moving birds. The fast focus system helps you quickly find birds, while the weather-sealed design protects against rain and changing conditions. A tripod mount option is also useful for longer observation sessions. The Hawke Frontier ED X uses the popular 8x42 configuration, offering a good balance between brightness, stability, and portability. The Frontier ED X delivers excellent performance, but it is not the lightest 8x42 binocular available. If you spend all day carrying binoculars, a lighter model may feel more comfortable. Users often praise the sharp center image, comfortable design, and premium build quality. Some users notice a small amount of softness near the edges, but overall feedback highlights strong value for serious birding. So, what is the bottom line? Buy it if you want high-quality optics, strong weather protection, and a dependable binocular for regular birdwatching. Skip it if you need the lightest possible binoculars or want the lowest cost option. The Hawke Frontier ED X 8x42 earns its spot as the best mid-range choice because it delivers premium features, excellent image quality, and dependable outdoor performance without the premium price tag. Coming in at number 3, the Nikon Monarch HG 10x42. If you want premium image quality with extra reach for distant birds, the Monarch HG is an excellent choice. It combines sharp optics, a lightweight design, and reliable outdoor performance, making it one of the most versatile binoculars for serious birders. The magnesium alloy body keeps the binocular strong while staying relatively light at around 680 grams. The rubber armor provides a secure grip, and the comfortable eye cups with long eye relief make extended viewing easier, including for glasses wearers. This is where the Monarch HG stands out. Nikon's ED glass helps reduce color fringing, while the field flattener lens system keeps images sharp across the entire view. The 10x magnification also helps reveal fine details on birds that are farther away. The wide field of view makes it easier to locate and follow moving birds, while the smooth focus wheel allows quick adjustments in the field. The locking diopter also helps prevent accidental focus changes. The Monarch HG uses a 10x magnification with 42mm objective lenses, offering extra detail while maintaining a practical size for outdoor use. Owners frequently praise the sharp image quality, comfortable design, and excellent handling. The wide view makes tracking birds easier, while the main concern is usually the higher price compared with mid-range options. So, what is the bottom line? Buy it if you want premium optics, excellent detail, and a binocular that performs across different birding situations. Skip it if you are a casual user or prefer a more affordable 8x42 option. The Nikon Monarch HG 10x42 earns its place as the best all-rounder by combining outstanding image quality, portability, and versatility for serious birdwatching. Coming in at number 2, the Nikon ProStaff P7 8x42. If you want a premium birding experience without paying flagship prices, the ProStaff P7 is a great choice. It offers bright images, comfortable handling, and the reliable performance Nikon is known for. The lightweight body with rubber armor provides a secure grip, while the waterproof and fog-proof construction makes it dependable in changing weather. The adjustable eye cups and long eye relief also make it comfortable for extended viewing. The ProStaff P7 uses Nikon's multi-coated optics and phase-corrected prisms to deliver clear, bright images with accurate colors. The 8x magnification provides a steady view and makes it easier to track moving birds. The ProStaff P7 uses the popular 8x42 configuration, offering a strong balance of brightness, stability, and portability for birdwatching. Here is the one thing to know before buying it. The 8x magnification is excellent for steady, everyday birding, but if you regularly watch distant birds, a 10x model may provide more detail. So, what is the bottom line? Buy it if you want a high-quality 8x42 binocular with excellent comfort, durability, and reliable Nikon optics. Skip it if you want the absolute highest optical performance or need maximum reach from a 10x binocular. The Nikon ProStaff P7 8x42 earns its place as a premium value choice by combining bright views, easy handling, and dependable outdoor performance in a well-balanced package. Coming in at number 1, the Swarovski NL Pure 8x32. For birders who want the best combination of optical quality, comfort, and portability, the NL Pure 8x32 is hard to beat. It delivers an incredibly immersive viewing experience while remaining lightweight enough for all-day adventures. The unique ergonomic shape makes the NL Pure comfortable to hold for long periods, while its compact 32mm design keeps the weight low. The premium build quality and weather protection make it ready for demanding outdoor use. This is where the NL Pure stands apart. Swarovski's advanced optical system delivers outstanding sharpness, natural colors, and impressive contrast. The wide field of view makes it easier to locate and follow birds, while edge-to-edge clarity keeps the entire image detailed. The field flattener lens system keeps details sharp across the view, while the excellent eye relief and adjustable eye cups provide comfortable viewing for different users, including those who wear glasses. The NL Pure uses an 8x magnification with 32mm objective lenses, creating a lightweight binocular that is easy to carry while maintaining premium optical performance. Here is the one thing to know before buying it. The compact 32mm lenses make these binoculars excellent for daytime birding, but they collect less light than larger 42mm models. If you often watch birds at dawn or dusk, a larger version may be a better fit. Buy it if you want one of the finest birdwatching binoculars available and value image quality, comfort, and portability. Skip it if you want a budget-friendly option or frequently birdwatch in very low light conditions. The Swarovski NL Pure 8x32 earns the #1 position because it delivers an exceptional combination of optical performance, comfort, and portability that few binoculars can match. The right birdwatching binoculars depend on your experience, budget, and how you plan to use them. Choose the Celestron Regal ED for great value, the Nikon Monarch HG for extra detail, or the Swarovski NL Pure if you want the ultimate premium experience. Check the links below for current prices and availability. If this guide helped you find the right binoculars, like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next Gadget Flow buying guide. Thanks for watching.